Hi guys, this is Bharat here, SQL trainer from Vadapalani QSpiders. So we have a candidate who got placed recently in one of the company. Congratulations.
Thank you very much, sir.
Yeah, and let's know about the candidate. Tell me about yourself.
Myself, Mangra, and I completed my bachelor degree from Dr. MGR University, and I completed my with a BTech CSC background, and 2024 pass out is, and I joined by the incubation batch in Vadapalani QSpider.
Okay, super. So which company got placed with? What is the designation and what is your package?
Yes, I placed in the one of the reputed company, and that's which is the role is software testing, and my package is 2.6 RPM.
Super. What helped you to get placed?
That's there is a lot of things, sir, because our trainer is help us to everything in every manner, like in attitude, comprehension, and communication, which is the most important for the every employer in that in company. And some of the technical question is there, and the theoretical part also, practical is there. There also groomings and mock. These are all the things which are help us to us. What are
Okay,
the
super.
things?
All the best. Work well.
Thank you very much, sir.